guys, welcome to another vlog. This is me, Marabella, and over the vlogging, it's my mom.
Hi.
Okay, for today, I'm gonna open my new parcel because my aunt gave this to me, and this is my new water bottle. So I'm gonna vlog with you so you can see what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna cut it. So, don't actually mind me doing this. So here's my new tumbler. Naka-video ba? So let me use the scissors. Be careful, guys. Don't use this when you're still young. Because when you're still young, your hands will be cut. Okay? Don't use this. Oh my gosh, my mama. Ta-da! And here is my new tumbler. And here, Mama, do you know what is this? What is this?
The description of the
Okay.
of your order.
Wow!
Show it to Tita Jonah. Wow.
Mama, ito yung
Thank you,
pan-open,
Tita
tsaka
Jonah.
push. Ah!
Oh, what do you think
Thank you, Tita Jonah,
for
your gift, and I love you. And it opens, and there's a lock at the side, and you have to push this down and lock it, and it will not open when I push this button.